In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to strike through text in Figma. Strikethrough is a simple text style that's great for showing edits, tracking changes, or indicating something is no longer valid, and it only takes a moment to apply once you know where to look. Start by opening your design in Figma so you are looking at the canvas and the right-hand properties panel. To apply strikethrough, you'll first need to select your text. You can do this in two ways, depending on what you are trying to change. If you want the entire text layer to be struck through, click the text layer directly on the canvas or in the Layers panel. If you only want part of a sentence or a few words, double-click into the text box and highlight just the portion you want. Keep an eye on the right-hand sidebar as you do this. The typography options will update based on what you've selected. With your text selected, head to the right-hand sidebar. Under Typography, locate the Text section. You'll see a small settings icon often referred to as Type Settings. Click that to open up more detailed text controls. This panel gives you fine-grained control over things like letter spacing and decoration. In the Basics area, look for the Decoration section. That's where you'll find the strike-through icon. Click it once to apply strike-through to your current selection. You'll see the change immediately on the canvas. If you change your mind, just click the same icon again to toggle it off. This toggle behavior is useful when you want to compare the look with and without the effect. If you prefer working quickly without digging through panels, here is a faster method using keyboard shortcuts. Select the text or the text layer you want to modify. Then use Command+Shift+X on a Mac, or Control+Shift+X on Windows. The shortcut applies strike-through instantly and just like the button. Pressing it again will remove the effect. It works whether you've selected the full text layer or highlighted just a few characters. So it's perfect for fast edits during reviews or live collaboration. That's it. Thanks for watching.